Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can play online with friends in F1 24. If you want to play with your friends through the online mode, then there are a couple of modes that you can use. For instance, you can play 2-player career. If you go over here, then you should be able to either choose contracts mode, which allows you to drive in different teams, or you can choose co-op mode, where if you transfer, then your friend will transfer to the same team as well, so you'll always drive in the same team. Regardless which one you choose, you can later on invite your friend. So as you can see over here, we can invite our friend from the friend list, or we can skip that step for now and then we can invite our friend later. Now, of course, this is just one example of the online mode. Another thing that we can do is go to F1 World, and then in the F1 World we want to go to play. And here, as an example, we can go to Multiplayer Grand Prix. If we go there, we can, for instance, browse the session, and then you can tell your friend to join with you. Or you can create your own session, and then you can make it open. You can make friends only, so your friends will be able to join you, or invite only, where you will need to invite someone in order to let them join you. So if you choose friends only, then your friend might just join in later. Or if you go back and choose invite only, then let's wait a couple of seconds to let the session lobby to be created. There we go. Now we have the option to invite friends, so there we go, we can just invite our friends here, wait for them, and then start the race together. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.